Hi there, I'm just going to show you how to unpair your remote in case you have lost your original remote and bought a new one to replace it. So say for instance this is the original remote, and what we're going to do now here is just pair it up. As you can see on the top left, it's indicating that we've paired it. So this remote works fine. Now, say for instance you've lost this original remote and we're going to replace it with a new one. And here's the new one. As you can see, the light's flashing but nothing's changing. So what we're going to do now is show you how to unpair it. Keep your finger on the menu button and on the left button for approximately 6 seconds. As you can see, it's unpaired now on the top left, indicating that, and now it's allowing it to work. Thanks, bye.